music, but I unlocked Theory of Everything too. Yes, guys, we did it. We actually unlocked Theory of Everything too. Like literally, we unlocked it. And no, this is not my brother's account because I don't have a brother, and I also don't have a sister. Literally, I unlocked it after so many tries, bro. I kinda like got some coins and like dry out on this other base. So guys, I'm back on track on 2 minutes. Then I come through some